Good day to all of you who have joined DP Coding School. I'm on my way home. Can you see? It's getting dark from all sides. Looks like a heavy rain is coming. There is thunder and lightning, and the trees are twisting in the wind. Oh, can you see those birds? Oh, that means showers are coming soon. Like Earth, other planets also get rain. Do you know that it rains diamonds in planet Saturn? It's hard to imagine, isn't it? Actually, I love this rain. If there is no rain, the water in the tanks will dry up. Then there will be no water for farming and other cultivations. Likewise, when there's no rain, the trees die. Then animals could also lose their lives without food. We call the time period when there is no rain as drought. So that's why we need this rain this much. Understanding the value of rainwater, King Mahaparakrama Bahu, who ruled Sri Lanka in the past, said to use or save every single drop of water falling from the sky before it goes to the ocean. I kept on talking with you guys. Now I am going to get wet in the rain. Can you see lightning and thunder? Ooh, did you hear that? I should go home as soon as possible before it rains. Here, now you guys have to make a game to avoid being struck by lightning. Let's start. First, click on the Start Project button. Next, click on the How It Works button. Now, if you are using a mobile phone, turn on rotation and keep the phone horizontally. Now, click on the Remix button. So, watch the videos below and design a game to avoid lightning and go home. Okay, let's start. We will meet again soon through DP Coding School. Stay tuned with us. Send in the designs that you do to 076 812 5244 WhatsApp number.